Alright, we just got to our camp spot. Maggie Moon, wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? We're about to walk down to the beach there. Might even send up the drone, see what we got. Saw a bunch of wild horses, of course, because that's Assateague. We're right on the beach, so we'll wake up to, well, we're facing the east, so the sun will be setting. And wait, what? No, the sun will rise in the east. Cool, we'll be watching the sunrise. I'm a mariner, I should know these things. It's a good view, though. Right over the dunes of the ocean, the beach. Trisket. Cheers. All right, hooligans.
Cheers.
Oh, I made it strong. We got neighbors.
Should we act?
Dude, it's so good.
Yeah.
That looks so good. All right, we destroyed some nachos, and then hung out. We started getting the bed ready. We hung up these little like string lights. It looks so cozy. I have no idea. I have no idea what temperature it is. But look at this thing. We just watched the most beautiful sunrise. I might try to throw this drone up in a second, drive it down the beach while the sun's rising. But I think the sun's supposed to be rising like in 2 minutes. So we're a little late. Oh well. Hope Maggie's warmed up. We just ran the truck for a little bit. Try to warm it up in there because poor dog's been in there all night. Alright, I'm gonna go try to get the drone sent on up.
Excuse me, let's pick it over that way. We need to clean dishes.
Did. Hey there, buddy. Hi there. You need to eat some more. You've got a rib cage showing. Maybe a bath too. Maggie, you can't even see with your bar. Oh, rat. So, I'm gonna go for a dip. She's gonna hang out, maybe go rollerblading, but she's also gonna. I'm trying to get her to fly the drone, but late. Just found out from the lady at the visitor center. I told her, I was like, hey, go look at a drone band. Looked like the water's pretty clear when I flew my drone up, and she's like, I'm not actually getting to hear that. And I was like, oh, you're not supposed. She's like, on federal land, and I was like, oh. I was like, she's a good thing I didn't get your information. And I go, yeah, my name was Jeff, by the way. But this is the area that we're going to be diving, or I'm going to be diving. The bay side of Ocean City, of Assateague Island. And I'm pretty suited. I'm going to grab my stuff, do a little suit up video. This is a cold weather suit up into wetsuits. I forget which one to go first with. Oh, pants. So I got to strip down. So the thing about closed cells. Wetsuits is this very sticky substance, the rubber. It's very, very sticky and it sticks to your skin, so you gotta lube up. This is a mixture of conditioner and water. Oh. It's not warm. Oh. It's not lubricated. Oh. It's fresh lava out now. Oh my God. It's a good movie. It's a good. They're making a new one. But they've been saying that for years. Okay, so we just I just finished up. She drove the drone over my head. Trying to catch. Yes. No.
You said
the footage that was recorded was not our doing. It's completely some other guy named Jeff. It's very cold. My hands, my knuckles are literally dry to the point where they're white. I don't know if that's the conditioner that just rubbed into them or if they're just that dry, but or are they getting warm yet?
Not super warm, but
my toes, bro.
Heating up.
My toes are freezing. So stick these bad boys in my bare feet. I just clench them with my toes like orangutan feet. When I was out there, mussels are really easy to find. They're along little ridges. They build along little structures of roots and such of the grass. So the grass grows, there's a structure of roots, and then the mussels embed in that little edge. And they all are sitting vertically on the substrates.
Like bumps on a log?
Like bumps on a fucking log. Ooh, there's that one cool oyster that I got a video of that you guys should see, where it looks like a mussel cracked open. It had become, you know, it died. It still hung out there with like open arms, you know. With its arms wide open. And an oyster spud fucking embedded itself inside of the mussel and grew a big old oyster.
What size was the mussel?
The mussel was probably about the length of my fingers. Well, actually, make it to my knuckles to my fingers. Man, my funky fingers. It was really cool, and then the dive itself was just really fun. It's really cold, and it was beautiful though. The clarity is really nice right now on the bay side because there's nothing stirring it up, and it's winter time. So, I got my suit off, and we're gonna go find somewhere to grill up some
kebabs.
Chicken kebab, kebabi. And grab some kebabs and then
That's good.
another good apple. That's a different kind.
This is my favorite kind of apple.
Really?
One of them. Gold
What
Rush.
Oh. Gold Rush?
Mm-hmm.
Like the thing that happened out west?
Just like that.
Give it again.
Take it. I was gonna try to make you some tea or hot water for something, but
Hot cocoa?
hot
Cocoa, dude?
cocoa.
Yeah. I'm down.
Cocoa?
Cocoa! Who are you? What is happening right now? Carrots and tzatziki sauce. They kind of don't go with there, but they're eatable. Anyway, they're a little funky, but they're good. Hey, oh, don't cut me off. Okay.
You never change your socks and the little strings of alcohol.
Okay. So we're done. We're leaving.
You're done.
You're done. Say goodbye to the horsies that everybody wants to slow down for. So I am gonna finish this video up here. Hope you all enjoyed it. It's fun to watch, but appreciate you guys giving a view. Subscribe if you want. I don't know, but have a good one. Oh, also I got bus stuff coming out soon, so I'm trying to work on getting a lot of the stuff from the bus done.
What kind of stuff?
Bus stuff. It's involving dildos and my ass. Bus stuff. And so got a shower pan going in and whatnot, so I'm gonna have that going soon. And on a pretty sunset and a beautiful girl. Bye, bitches!